Are you afraid that your vehicle isn't going to start when you go to use it? Well, today's video is going to talk about the top 3 things that will keep that vehicle from starting. So the first reason on the list why your car doesn't start could be the battery. Now the battery, let me give you a little thing about the battery. The battery's only purpose is to start the vehicle. You as the driver could get under the hood and make sure that these connections are tight. A loose connection will stop the battery from getting the power it needs to start the car. Corroded terminals, if you see a lot of funny colors and chia pets growing on the terminals, that could cause high resistance and not be able to send the power to the starter where it needs to go to start the car. But you really want to have a professional do a battery test so he can properly load, or she can properly load the battery up and then see what kind of output it's putting out. The second item on the list, and the alternator's job is to generate electricity to charge the battery and have the car, all the other stuff that the car runs on, it powers all that stuff in your dashboard and everything. So the alternator, its job is to charge back the battery so that the next time you go to start it, it has enough energy in it to start the car. And the third item on the list is the starter, the actual thing that actually starts your vehicle. That can also be the problem. But again, we'll tie them all together. The alternator is what charges the battery, and the battery has enough juice, it sends all of its power down to the starter, which then will start your engine. So if the starter has a problem, there's a solenoid that could be bad, there could be wiring going down to the starter, it could be the starter itself that's just worn out. Any of those will keep your starter from starting the engine. So anyway, if you're having any of these experiences, the symptoms of the car not starting, or your battery light coming on your dash, or a clicking noise when you go to start the car, you want to have a professional look at the vehicle as soon as possible. If you don't have a guy, I'd like to be your guy, but if you have a guy, make sure that he has the right tools, because there is proper tools to have to test batteries and to test alternators, and there's a proper way to do these things. So don't try this at home. Definitely hire a professional. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this.